planning your next camping trip, tailgate party, or outdoor adventure. A reliable camping stove is a must-have for cooking great meals on the go. From dual fuel burners to compact, high BTU stoves, these are the best camping stoves of 2025 that deliver powerful performance and portability. If you want to check out any of these, all the product links are in the description below. Cofiyard Propane 2-Burner Camping Stove. Best for versatility and tailgating. For those who need a powerful, reliable camping stove with dual burners, the Cofiyard Propane 2-Burner Camping Stove is an excellent choice. This portable folding gas stove features two 17,000 BTU adjustable burners, offering a combined 34,000 BTUs of cooking power, enough to boil water, fry, grill, or cook a full meal for a group. Its stainless steel and aluminum body makes it durable yet lightweight, while the foldable design with a carrying bag allows for easy storage and transport. The propane-powered system ensures consistent high heat output, making it perfect for car camping, RV trips, tailgating, or outdoor BBQs. Looking for a high-powered portable stove with 2 burners? Check the link in the description. Naturehike 2-Burner Folding Camping Stove. Best for griddle cooking. If you love cooking breakfast, pancakes, burgers, or grilled meals outdoors, the Naturehike 2-Burner Folding Stove is the perfect pick. This stove comes with a built-in griddle, making it great for cooking multiple items at once. With 16,000 BTU adjustable burners, it provides excellent heat control for precise cooking. The piezo ignition system allows for quick, reliable startups without the need for lighters or matches, and it runs on isobutane gas, making it an efficient and lightweight option for campers and backpackers. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the stainless steel griddle surface ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. Want a folding stove with a built-in griddle for the best outdoor cooking experience? Check the link below. SHINESTAR Dual Fuel Camping Stove. Best for flexibility, butane and propane. For those who want fuel flexibility, the SHINESTAR Dual Fuel Camping Stove is an excellent option. Unlike standard camping stoves, this model supports both butane and propane, allowing you to switch between fuels depending on availability. With a 7,800 BTU output, it's ideal for boiling, frying, and slow cooking. It includes a propane adapter hose, so you don't need to buy additional accessories, and the sturdy stainless steel body ensures durability. The piezo ignition system makes startup easy, and the carrying case ensures safe storage and portability. Whether you're camping in the mountains, RVing, or preparing for emergencies, this stove is a smart investment. Need a portable stove that supports both butane and propane? Check the link in the description. Chef Master Grill Boss Dual Fuel Portable Stove. Best for high BTU cooking. If you need extra heat for high-powered cooking, the Chef Master Grill Boss Dual Fuel Portable Stove is a top-tier option. With a powerful 12,000 BTU burner, this stove can boil water quickly, sear steaks, and handle large pots with ease. It runs on both propane and butane, making it a versatile choice for camping, hiking, tailgating, or emergency preparedness. The built-in piezo ignition system means you don't need matches or a lighter, and the compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Need a powerful, high BTU portable camping stove? Check the link below. If you're looking for a small, lightweight, yet powerful camping stove, the Dr.HOWS First Penguin Portable Stove is an excellent option. With 10,000 BTUs of power, this stove is designed for quick cooking, boiling, and frying, making it great for solo campers, emergency preparedness, or small group meals. It runs on butane, providing a clean, efficient burn. The compact size and included carrying case make it super portable, perfect for throwing in your backpack for hiking, fishing, or on-the-go cooking. Want a compact, reliable stove for emergency kits and solo trips? Check the link in the description. Camping stoves in 2025 are more powerful, efficient, and portable than ever. Whether you need a high BTU powerhouse, a foldable travel stove, or a lightweight emergency burner, these picks will help you cook with ease and convenience. Which camping stove fits your needs best? Drop a comment below. And if you're ready to upgrade your outdoor cooking gear, all the product links are in the description.